All right, how we doing, everybody? Sorry I'm getting this out late. Last week I had to deal with some facility issues that kind of bogged down everything, and then I had to make a emergency um, flight out of town. So just got back the other day, so I've been working on all this. Excuse me, working on all this stuff for y'all, get it out. So this video is kind of meant for um, especially our freshman guys who haven't seen these sheets before. All you returners and upperclassmen have seen this stuff before, but we're just going to run through it real quick so we can get it out to y'all and get y'all lifting. All right, so we have a roster list here down at the bottom. Okay, so if there's anything that doesn't look right here, go in and change it. You can just click on something, delete it, and write something else in, and we're fine. Okay, because what that's going to do is it will affect our sheets here. Okay, so first things first, come and find your name. So you'll click on this box here, and you'll see a drop down arrow. Click on that drop down arrow, and we can expand this just by clicking on this little plus zoom in button here. Click on the arrow, find your name, click on it, and then come back out. So what happens is, as soon as you click on your name, all your numbers here generate. Okay, so everyone has their own personalized sheet. So going from there, once you selected your name, we'll start the program. So you got 3 days here. Okay, day 1, day 2, day 3. You see here week 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we got 4 weeks within one sheet here. So this will last you the entire month. And as we follow this, we go down the sheet, not across it. So week 1, you go down this dark gray column here. Week 2, lighter gray. Week 3, even lighter. Week 4, almost white here. Okay, so that will kind of help you keep organized and everything like that. So starting off, we got box jumps. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of 3. Okay, so once you get done with the first set of 3, you're going to pair those with physio ball planks. Okay, as you see here, it says pair with physio ball planks 3 by 30 seconds. So you're only going to pair those up the first 3 sets. Okay, so you don't have to do the entire 3 or the entire 6. Unless you just want to, then go ahead. Once we're done with that, we got back squat, 65, 75, 85%. First set of 5, got your numbers here based off of not your 1RM, but your training max, which is set at 90% of your squat max, okay? Or your 1RM max of all these lifts. So you'll do 5. Hit your open books that we've done before. Hit 5, open books. And this last one here, you see the 5 plus, you're gonna rep everything out past 5. So once you hit 5 reps, keep going as many reps as you possibly can past 5. Okay? So you see here it has 167, 192, 118. So those aren't actual real numbers. So you just either round up or round down to 165, 170, 190 to 195, 220 to 215 to 220. So, and I have these boxes here for you so you can record what weight you did. So say he did 220 and he got 8 reps. And that's nothing to change the program. It just kind of gives you an opportunity to record what you did, so you know for future reference, just for fun. All right, so later on we got Bulgarian split squats. We got single leg hip extensions, cable YTAs. Now with the cables, if you got a cable machine at home or at the gym you're using, all you're going to do is just cross your hands into an X, grab each cable, and you're going to pull into a Y, a T, or an A. Okay? You're going to do 5 each of those. Dumbbell bench, 1 holds while 1 is repping. So if you're laying on the bench, you got 1 You got one dumbbell above your head, one is repping while the other one holds static. Okay. You got some boxes here to record your weights that you put in, just so for future reference on the next one. Okay. Now with these box jumps, you can see they're all threes here, threes, and then it gets to twos. Okay, so here it says increase height or add weight, or excuse me, it says increase height on these jumps, or you can add weight to the jumps that you're doing at the same height. Okay, so same thing here. Excuse me, 3, 3, and then 3 burnout plus, 5, 3 burnout plus. Okay, and essentially you'll get a new max here. The fourth week is for like a deload, really lightweight. You can do the same thing. You can see how all the reps have gone down here. Just lighten up the load. Okay, med ball vertical push. Hold the med ball at your chest. Get a good dip in your squat, and you're going to drive it up over your head, pushing the med ball over your head as hard as you can. Okay, 5 sets of 5 on that. Now on the week 3 and week 4, you can see dip, drive, and push. So at the end of your push, when you dip and drive, you're gonna add a jump to it. So as you push the med ball overhead, you're gonna add a jump. Okay, nice and athletically. All right. Same thing as when we did a squat. Burn out past 5, burn out past 3, burn out past 1. Okay, lateral lunges. With these, you're gonna start with your feet together, holding the weight. And you're just going to lunge out to the side and stand back up with your feet together. Inverted row, real simple. You put the bar at the J hooks as if you're going to bench press, and you're going to hold onto the bar, hanging from it, pulling yourself up. Okay, the bar needs to touch either your nipple line or lower. Okay, bag extensions, calf raises. Broad jumps, we've done these before with the on your third day of workouts. You're going to superset them with side planks, first 3 sets, unless you want to do all 6 sets, and that's fine. Now, your week 3 and week 4, you're going to do you can add a med ball push with your jump. So when you do a broad jump, once you jump, you're going to push the med ball at the same time, okay, forward, all right? Hex bar deadlift, same thing. Burnout past 5, 3, and 1. You're going to superset with elevated heel squats, just putting your heels on like a plate or an elevated surface, just doing some squats, okay? Dumbbell step-ups, we've done them before. Dumbbell overhead press, holding level 1 reps, just like we did on our dumbbell bench over here. Swing leg dumbbell RDL. I'm going to hold the weight in both hands. And then single arm lat pull down. You're just going to sit on your butt or wherever, on the pad or whatever. And you're just going to pull, you can grab the cable by one hand, pulling it down. Okay. All of these core at the very end is your choice. Just figure out what you want to do. It doesn't matter what it is. And just do it. All right. Any questions with this, please call me, text me. If you can't find any of these exercises on YouTube, say the inverted row you're having trouble with, look it up on YouTube. And if you can't find something that's seems to make sense, or you're just a little confused and want to make sure that it's doing right, we can always FaceTime as well to go over the movements. So, but yeah, call me, FaceTime me, let me know if you need anything. Enjoy your Christmas break with your family and friends. Please be safe if you're traveling. Hope everybody passed their finals. And I will see y'all in 2020. All right.